Hey CMC students, my name is Amy Renee Montejano and I will be doing my public service announcement on the special feature on the iPhone called Apple Pay. So a couple of fun facts about Apple. The three founders of Apple are Steve Jobs, Ronald Wayne, and Steve Wozniak. This is an old picture of him on the right hand side when they built their first Apple computer. And it was founded April 1st, 1976 in Cupertino, California. Amr Ali Khan, he is a co-inventor of the Apple Pay feature on the iPhone. He graduated from an Institute of Engineering, Science, and Technology in 2002, where he was known as the programmer. So this Apple Pay feature was released October 2014 when the iPhone 6, 6S, and 6S Plus came out. Those were the first phones that had the feature of Apple Pay. Which was the iOS 11 update. So in order to set up the Apple Pay, you must go to the settings on your iPhone, and then you're going to scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay, and you're going to read the terms and conditions, and you're going to accept them. And once you accept them, your screen will look like this, and it will give you an option if you would like to add a card, a debit card or a credit card, to your Apple phone. And when you are going to use your Apple Pay, your screen will look like this, and you would just hold it near where you would usually pay with a card, but instead of a card, you're gonna be paying with your phone. So this is how to use Apple Pay. You're gonna hold it against this little monitor right here where you pay with your card, but instead you're just gonna lean it against it with your iPhone, and you're either gonna do your Touch ID, depending if you have the iPhone X or an iPhone 7. If you have an iPhone X, it will ask you for your Face ID. And you can also use it with your Apple Watch. Another cool feature that the Apple Pay has is that you can send and request money through Messenger. So for example, if I want to send a friend $15 through Apple Pay, there's a little icon right here where I would click on Apple Pay, and it would give me the amount. I would choose the amount of how much I would want to send them, and then I would click Pay. But I can also request money. So let's say my friend owes me $2, $10, $20, whatever the case may be. I can request it, and they could send my $2 or $10, however much it is. And that is a cool feature that the iPhone offers with Apple Pay.